It's #1.
Spandau!
De driver. Onze chauffeur, jongens. Extreem rijtjes.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're almost there by the Polland boiler, market, and we can here buy our fireworks, the biggest fireworks from Europe. All right, and now we are across the border. There are no police controls here, because Poland is to the Schengen Verdrag, and now we are across the border. I know people see here, if you are across the bridge, you'll see directly on your left hand the market. That's the market. Some shops are 24 hours open, other shops are closed all days, and there are a few shops open now. But we're gonna look there. I see you in a short time on the market. Hi all, welcome in Poland. We're in a place with that name. Very difficult name for me. I can speak it out because my Polish is very bad, just like my English. But we go to the market, it's behind here, and we go shopping to fireworks. I'm not sure if I can make a video in the shopping, because I've seen on the internet there's a problem by some people. So I want to make shots. On the other side I make sneaky shots, but there will be shots. After that we will see that we have bought, and after that we will shoot it. Because all what we buy here in Poland, we shoot here in Poland because it's allowed here. And we shoot 1 or 3 or 4 things. And then we go drive away because maybe it's allowed. A lot of people don't like fireworks and they are shocking by the hard banks. So we drive further and shoot other things. But first we come buy some fireworks. We are on the Polenmarkt, so we're gonna looking for fireworks. Here we go. It's nice with me, yeah? Over the market. Very nice stuff, but not for me. For my wife something. Here, red roses for my wife. Sex and fireworks. Explot 8, 7. Now we are going back to the car. It's not allowed to film here on the place. We have spoken to people that was not agree with us, with our film. But we go to our car and show you what we have bought. Alright, boys and girls. A lot of boys and a less girls. What we have bought? A firework, Joker 2. We have bought the Scream 1, 4 euros. We have bought the Cobra 6, 3 euro. The Kipola, 9 euro. P2000, I don't know the price. Crazy Robot, I don't know the price either. The Big Ritorno, 8 euros. Good banger. This get we for free, I don't know why, but they give it to us. And 2 euros, yeah, little Cobra. It's the Polish Cobra. It's imitation. And it was, oh yeah, and we get a lighter. So, we're gonna test this. Ja, dat is duur jongens. We moeten sneaky filmen, want we mogen hier niet filmen. Ja, het is allemaal prijzig. 23 euro. Die bonbons 2 euro per stuk.
She a nasty freak, that's what I do now. That's your man, she loving the kudo. Nigga short out here, my money way long.
Ik heb nog film,
Hij komt af, zo. Ja, heb ik nog zelf zo.
Oh ja, ja, 3 inch ja. Kijk, dat was leuk. Ook een doosje. Ja.
Wat duur? 55 euro.
8 inch?
Ja.
Valt mee.
Hello my friend.
Hello my friend. I was waiting in the car. What's the bridge you for me?
Yeah, some nice product.
Rockets. Thunder rockets from Georgia. Cool.
And some other special editions.
That are nice bangers. That are nice bangers. There's a 4-inch salute shell. Nice one.
And
another shell.
another.
Cylinder shell with 12 bombs on it. It's a multi-break shell. Nice. 3-inch.
Some salute.
3-inch salute. The same as this one, only smaller. 100 gram, 50 grams. A peanut shell.
Then we have some 3-inch peanut shell.
Yeah, 3-inch. Flower wave red to flower crown. 2 pieces. Very nice.
Another
5 euro, 11 euro, 9 euro. And there comes on
5 euros.
5 euro. This one was 12 euro.
Rockets 10 euros.
The rockets were 10 euros, that's true. Then we have there a big 12 euro too. I'm not sure what it is, but 4-inch Whirlpool, I think it's trails, silver trails in the air. Double deck, so it's a double cylinder shell too.
Some big one.
A peanut shell too. Yeah, that's a big. Gold strobe, Chrysanthemum, green, wave to red. It's a mouthful of words. Looks good.
Then we have some
fuse. Yeah. We can fuse it all. Haha.
lot of
Have you got fire?
yeah.
Alright. I'm the god of hellfire. Yes, 11 euro. 100 grams. Salute. Same as that one.
Then we have some bad quality.
Oh yeah, the bad quality crackers. Yeah, 2 euro. Look, 2 euro. What you expect for 2 euros? That's only tried crackers. Some bad nitrates.
1
Then
euro Suki.
1 euro Suki ook nitrates. Little bangers. I hope this is with crackling. I have seen some video, but we must try and test it.
This product is very dangerous. The fuse is very short.
Yes, that's true. It's bad quality. Polish Fireworks is bad quality. Triplex has bad quality. A lot of triplex stuff are not so good, like this one, but they have good quality.
Then we have Achtung.
Yeah,
Very big one.
€1.50. You can't get the price lower here. If you order online your fireworks, it's cheaper than go to Polish to here to Hohenwutzen. That's in Deutschland, and then this place. I will show it here on your screen. But yeah, it's very expensive. €1.50 for one bang. Yeah, bad quality too. Yeah, one plastic. But we will see.
For 4 euros you have Super Petarda.
Yeah, I don't know how they look like, but they look big here. What's next?
This one.
The Zenga, €1 for one piece. Yes.
For 5 pieces.
Yeah. Yeah, for one package. In the one normal package €4 for 4 pieces, but yeah, 5 are enough.
We have some Ossa.
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 Ossa. Ossa. Ossa.
Then
Keine
we have
Ahnung.
some triplex.
Triplex Achtung. I think this is the original Achtung von Triplex, but this are new style, but we gonna test it here in Poland, because you may shoot here in Poland.
Then we have some triangle.
For the little girls fireworks, or for gays. If you are gay and you like fireworks, you can walk with it. It's nice to your sweater.
If you buy some fireworks here, you get free drink.
Yes.
Some energy. They don't give low discount.
No, they are motherfuckers here.
Then we go to the big pieces.
Yeah, we get discount. We get one time €2 discount, and we got one time €4 discount. Yeah, there's maybe free beer, so it's not much.
Then we got some special army.
Oh, this one is nice.
Flash grenade.
I don't know what I expected for this, but I think it's like Germany, that rope bombs with good flash and yeah, like fire on.
And the Lowrana.
Yeah, I think all this stuff is all the same, but if you put the next one, this is with whistle, and my colleague go show you, look this one, look. It's pretty the same. You've seen in the video, this one without Mega Boy. I think this is a self-made home print. I think they make the labels on their own. They print it out and put it on. Someone has not, this one has. And this one too, we have seen littles without label and with label. And we put with label because we can give it a name. But I guess without label is the same. Mega Boy, it's similar to the Big Boy, and De La Verana is similar to a smaller Big Boy, a De La Verana Profi. Then we get the
color salute.
So this very big.
Very loud.
This is very dangerous. Look the fuse, how long. This is quality, and from Poland to this. I like this cracker.
And the final,
the little Joey.
Little Joey.
Yeah.
It's very nice bang.
Little Joey. Look from the round.
It's very good quality.
Yes, it is. Titanium salute with flash and crackling. So, this is what we bought today. The market is in 2 pieces, so we go to the other part now for looking for more fireworks. We are coming to the other part of the market. You see on the street, here we see fireworks, and we stop here for a look. So we have entered the next shop. We have bought color salutes, nice bangers, the Explode, not the original one I think, but €6 not so expensive. Viper 2, I don't know what it is. Not the Viper 2 on the Bellagio, or how you call that company. But looks good. And this is a Bombador, €18. It was 20, but I get the €2 discount from Lidl. It's a nice thing. So we're gonna test this here too tonight.
De koubom en dan die little doen.
So the next shop, what have we bought? 2 salutes, cakes. The BS50 from George. Then we have bought rockets, imitation things we bought for 10 euro. Then we have here more rockets. These are the Jokers signal rockets, very good. Then small stuff, these are very good, we tried it again. This one was 10 euro, we can put it on a parking place. And then we have some, the trade crackers, very nice. So, this was it. Alright, now we got to look for a nice spot to fire our fireworks. Look like a nice place here. Middle in the woods, there's a hill, so the sun goes up. And the other side is a hill too, the sun goes up again. After those hills there are village, towns, but I think they can hear us, or not hear us good, because the sound goes upwards. So I think this is a good spot. Let's shoot fireworks. Crazy robot. Hij rookt nog. Goed. Pak een stok. En kets hem heel hard opzij. Kijk uit, hij kan ontploffen, hè. Polse rotsen, jongens. This will become a stunt because it's a half stick on it. Oh, crazy guy. De Zenga. Shake before use, just like a dick. Fucking right. We thanks Joppie Vuurwerk. Hey, check his channel, Joppie Vuurwerk, auf YouTube. One of the best firework channels on the net.
Joppie is toppie.
And we thank me. I thank me personal. Hey, thank you Ruben for the best camera work for today.
Thank you, Ruben.
Yeah, thanks Jon. Thanks mate. And for a perfect video again. That is really nice here. Fireworks holiday we call it. We go to the next shop, the next videos, and check out my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.